Okay, ready when you are.
I'm ready.
It's recording.
We just had a great event here in PS21. We discussed the political movements and our new book, The Blueprint for Revolution. We are living in the age where political movements are shaking the world. It is the grand lesson whether or not we can find them reshaping the world. So really understanding the power behind the political movements, understanding how common people form these movements, how they start small but dream big, and what are the obstacles and challenges on their way to changing the system is something we are deeply committed of. So I'm really, really grateful that we have this event at PS21, where besides discussing my new book, we were touching many, many different challenges of the new world. What is the role of humor in nonviolent struggle? What is the role of collectivism and how new media can shape the world? How fast dictators can learn, and what we can do in helping the groups who are fighting for common good learning faster than the oppressors of this world. All of this, I think, are the very important issues, together with how you fight the non-state actors, the things like ACIS by nonviolent struggle. So I think it's very, very important topics, and we'll hear more about them in the future. And the more we learn, the better we will be able to help those who are trying to change the world.
Cool.
That's perfect.
Yeah.